Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's OP video update for Tuesday 30th of August. And I'm looking at OP right now. We're doing pretty good for OP, and yesterday I talked about how it is really important to come up and break this level. So on a daily time frame, we really need to see the closing of this daily. Okay, that's really important to see how the daily candlestick really closes today. So you do have 16 hours and 15 minutes to actually make a decision. So right now you did actually break out, you made a bullish closing. That's pretty much 50% of the work done right now. So 50% of the work we want to see OP holding this line, because if today you actually end up closing below that line again and come to 1.094, then that's just going to be a clickbait to actually trap you and then dump you to the downside. So what makes you a good trader is that you really have to wait for confirmation, and right now a daily confirmation is pretty important right now. So if you do actually end up holding the retest, so I'm gonna tell you the next technical targets right now. So you can see the golden ratio is really important to hold. I would even say that once you do hold this retest, it's important to break the golden ratio, come above the golden ratio, hold $1.2, and there's a good chance that you can see $1.6 in the near future. So that actually really depends if you can cross $1.2, and then boom, I could even look to enter this trade as well on my signal channels on the Discord. So at the moment it's kind of a suspense right now. So maybe today is the only suspense we really need to be honest. And there's a good chance that you can actually go up, because Wednesdays and Thursdays they do this midweek reversals to the upside. Wednesdays and Thursdays are actually pretty good for the market. So there are chances that you can go up, but the condition still applies, and that's going to be 0.618. Cross the 0.618 and try to move up to 1.618. That's pretty much it for this quick update on OP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.